So just in terms of a summary of the 8 steps. So P for purpose. R is thinking about the resource and the people in your company. O is acting small, thinking about the little things you can do. G is thinking big and about those out-of-the-box type of different things that you would need to invest time and money in. R is about redressing the balance and thinking about the whole supply chain and all of your stakeholders. E is about exceeding, keep improving. Continuous improvement is good for every business, and make sure you are positioning yourself to be there in 10 years' time. Success, measure everything that you do and share it with your team, and I really think that's something important. If people know you're being successful, it makes them feel good. And then finally, share and shout. So make sure people know that you're working really hard on all of this.